Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure workflows with Trello, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Trello account. If you don't have an account, create one at Trello.com. Once logged in, navigate to your desired board. Click on the Show menu button on the right side of the screen. Select More to access additional options. Click on Settings in the drop-down menu. To enhance security, enable Workspace Visibility settings. Choose the visibility level that suits your team needs. Next, add members to your board for collaborative security. Click on the Invite button at the top of the board. Enter the email addresses of your team members. Set their permission levels to control access, assigning roles appropriately. To further secure your workflow, use the checklist feature on cards. This allows you to track specific tasks within each card clearly. For sensitive information, use the attachment option wisely. Upload necessary files, but store sensitive documents securely elsewhere. Set due dates for tasks to ensure timely completion. Utilize the Labels feature to categorize tasks based on priority or department. To ensure accountability, add comments to each task for open communication. Consider using automation through Trello's Butler feature. Set up rules to automate repetitive tasks and maintain workflow consistency. Review your board regularly to keep track of updates and changes. Lastly, ensure you have a backup plan in place. Export your board periodically in case you need to restore information. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your workflows using Trello. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.